Hey everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into your SaxoTrader account if you already have an account. First of all, launch open a web browser on your computer or your device, and in the URL box, type in SaxoTrader.com and search. You'll find yourself in the official site for SaxoTrader.com where you'll be shown this login page. To sign into your account, you'll need to enter your user ID and password associated with your account. Enter the credentials that you used while signing up for your account. After typing down your credentials, click on the login button. You can also sign in using the Apple or the Google account option from the bottom if you've previously signed up with Apple or Google option. If you don't remember your user ID and your password, you can get help by clicking Forgot User ID or Forgot Password link. After clicking Login, you should be able to sign in to your SaxoTrader account. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.